Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ty. In case you're new here, hi, thank you so much for coming to my channel to watch my video. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back today to watch another video. So guys, this is my very first Temu purchase. I haven't bought anything from Temu. I think that's how it's pronounced. I used to think it was Temu, but I think it's Temu. Anyway, guys, I was tempted when I saw this lovely dress that this woman was wearing on Instagram. And when I went to check it on Temu, it was just about £1. Yeah, it was just about £1. But I had to buy other things to make it up to £10. So that was what I did. So guys, let's just unbox this together. I just came back from work and I just saw the package and I said, you know what? I'm going to get my ring light out. I'm going to get my phone and I'm going to record. Okay, let's see this on the floor. Okay, so this is the dress. This is the dress. So you can see this is a true unboxing. I've not opened anything. So this is it. Came in this package. So yeah, that's the dress, guys. Yeah, I bought a big size because I don't like things being too tight on me, but I just like the color. So I'll probably wear this dress and see what it looks like. So that's one of the things I got. Then I got a set of bowls so that I can store food in the fridge in a way that is very clear to see. So yeah, so this set of bowls, I think it was about £4 or something like that. Maybe about nine of them. I might as well open it so you can see what I'm showing you. So yeah. Oh, there's another layer. Let's open it. Yeah, this is my very first Temu haul. I haven't been tempted to buy anything from Temu all this while. Temu has been around now for maybe 2 years or I don't know, less, I can't remember. But because of all the palaver, if you want to join, you have to invite friends and all that. Just wasn't interested, you know. So yeah, so just bowls that you can store food. I know you can get this one easily in any shop. But I was just trying to make up my order up to £10 so that I could get the dress for £1. And then I bought some phone cases. Yeah, this looks a bit babyish, but yeah, I have never really changed the case that my daughter gave me the phone in. So I just said, you know, well, let me just have something a bit fanciful. So this was maybe £1 something or £2, I can't remember. Yeah, and then I got this. This is for the hair. A hairband. Oh, this looks nice. Yeah, to pack your hair. I really like this. Looks nice. I'll see how I can go about doing it. But that's it, guys. So I got that as well. That was also about £2, something like that. And I got this lunch bag with my initials T. Yeah, because what? It's not very large. Okay, but yeah, that's what it looks like inside. So when I go to work, I don't like putting my food inside my bag that has my laptop bag. I don't like having too many bags, you know. So, but I like to take food to work. Most times when I go to the office, I go to the office twice a week. I like to take food because everything is so expensive. Today I forgot my food at home. Can you imagine? I got to work and realized, oh, forgotten my food at home. And then I had to go and buy food and it wasn't really cheap. So yeah. So guys, this is it. It's got my initial on it. They had different ones with different initials, so you can pick your initial. And what else did I get? I think there's one more thing. Yeah, I got another phone case because I felt that one might be a bit too babyish. So I got a plainer one, also pink. I honestly hope it sizes. It looks smaller than my phone, you know. Really, I'm recording with my phone now, so I can't check. This looks smaller than my phone. Oh dear. I did the same size. They're not the same size, but I bought the same size. This one, oh dear, I don't know if this is going to size my phone. Unless I picked different sizes. Well, I don't know, guys. Anyway, what I really wanted was that dress, and I hope the dress is nice. So, guys, anyway, thank you so much for watching my unboxing. It's my first Temu. Let me know what you bought on Temu, when you joined Temu, and nice things to get on Temu. Yeah, I just decided, okay, let me just go for it. Just get something nice from Temu. And I liked the dress. So we'll see how it looks. Anyway, so guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.